बता दें, दिल्ली में असेंबली इंतखाबात का ऐलान हो चुका है। दिल्ली में 8 फरवरी को इंतखाबात होंगे, 11 फरवरी को उसके नताइज आएंगे। ऐलान हो चुका है, प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस हो चुकी है। दिल्ली में असेंबली इंतखाबात की तारीखों का ऐलान हो चुका है। 8 फरवरी को इंतखाबात होंगे और जिसके नताइज 11 फरवरी को होंगे। आपको बता दें, एक फेज में इलेक्शन होना है दिल्ली में और 8 फरवरी को होंगे, फिर 11 फरवरी को इसके नताइज सामने आएंगे। प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में कुछ देर पहले ही ये ऐलान किया गया है कि दिल्ली में असेंबली इंतखाबात 8 फरवरी को होंगे, जिसके नताइज 11 फरवरी को होंगे।
Will be issued on 14th January 2020, Tuesday. Last day of nominations is 21st January 2020, Tuesday. In 2015, the notification was issued on 12th January, and the date of announcement was 12th January, and the notification was issued on 14th. So there was a lot of criticism that candidates are not getting adequate time, political parties, etc. So in any case, now they are getting good 7 days to kind of finalize their candidates. Scrutiny of nominations shall take place on 22nd January, Wednesday. Last date of withdrawal of candidature is 24th January, Friday. Date of poll is 8th February, Saturday. 7th January this time was Friday. Single phase. Date of poll is 8th February 2020, Saturday. How can it be January? Today is 6th January already. Counting of votes shall be done on 11th February 2020. Date before which election shall be completed is 12th January or the time of notification, whichever is earlier.
और अब बात करते